Hey, Jody Walters, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. We've got a nice little trade-in, which is real rare that we get a good used pontoon on trade-in. This is a 2017 Godfrey Sweetwater 20-foot fishing cruise. You see we got the fishing seats up front. We have a live well under the port front seat. These seats are tubbed, so whatever you put in the under the seat, like your towels and whatnot, the water goes overboard underneath it, so whatever you got in the canisters do not get wet. This boat comes with boat motor and trailer, bimini, got a combo unit, Lowrance GPS combo fish finder, has a changing curtain in the back, galvanized trailer, very economical boat, gets you on the water quick. I'm Jody Walters, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida, 850-708-1317. Come on, let's go fishing.